Hey everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you how to transfer from AscendEX to Gate.io. So if you want to learn how to send crypto from AscendEX to Gate.io, this is the video you're looking for. Without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to AscendEX and log in. Once you're logged in, you need to go over to the top right and go to Wallet. Here you need to click on Cash Account. You'll then be sent over to this page, and here you'll see all the tokens you're currently holding. You'll now need to decide which coin you want to transfer, and in my case that will be Algorand. To transfer the coin, you need to click on the withdrawal button over in the Actions section. You'll then be sent over to the withdrawal page of AscendEX, and over on this page, you need to fill in the address you want to send your crypto to. To find this address, go over to Gate.io and then go over to Wallet. Now you'll need to go to Deposit. You'll then need to select the coin you want to transfer. Make sure this is the same coin as you have got selected on AscendEX, because if you transfer your cryptocurrency to the address of another coin, you'll lose all the funds you're transferring. So since I'm transferring Algorand, I'll go over to Gate.io and search for Algo. Once you have selected the right coin, you can now go ahead and copy the address. Once you have copied the address, go back over to AscendEX and paste the address in. You can then fill in the amount of coins you want to withdraw. So in my case, I'll go ahead and click on All. You'll then see the fee you'll be paying and the actual amount you will receive over on Gate.io. So once you have filled in everything you need to fill in, you can click on Confirm. You'll then see this withdrawal confirmation. Once you have double checked all the information to make sure you haven't made any unnecessary mistakes, you can click on Confirm and you'll then need to go through the security verification progress. So to receive those codes, simply click on the Send Code button and wait on your codes to arrive. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.